Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Anna.
Today we'll be visiting a limestone quarry in the Peak District to find out where calcium carbonate comes from.
And to find out what it's like working in a quarry.
But first, we'd better meet the site manager.
Okay, let's go.
We've come to a tarmac quarry in Balladon, which is right in the middle of the Peak National Park. They've spent a lot of time concealing and landscaping this quarry so that it doesn't impact on the natural environment.
Hi.
Darren,
Hi.
welcome to Balladon Quarry.
Hi.
I understand you're both here to learn a little bit about calcium carbonates.
Yep.
Right, well, what we need to do first, let's go and get you kitted out with PPE and we'll go through
Safety is top priority in a quarry with the size of machinery and amount of rocks around, not to mention explosives. We got a really thorough safety induction.
Martin, this is David and Anna. Martin's quarry supervisor and he's going to be showing you around the quarry today.
Right, shall we get in and go?
What's all this?
This is where all the stone is screened and sorted into different sizes.
After the stone has been crushed, it gets screened or sorted into different sizes. Some goes off for building or road construction, while the finer stuff is screened into powders that go into the chemical industry.
This is one massive hole.
How deep is this?
It's 100 metres deep.
And all this is limestone. This whole area would have been the bottom of the sea millions of years ago. And all of this is slowly compacted seashells and corals until it becomes rock.
A quarry this size could be quite an eyesore in the natural surroundings, especially in a national park. But here at Balladon, the stone that is not taken away is used to landscape the quarry back to its original state. The ground is replanted, and after just a few years, it's hard to tell the quarry was ever here.
This excavator can move 350 tonnes per hour.
Each bucket load will move about 6 tonnes. That's about 4 small cars in one go. Operating one of these is a bit like driving a tank, only harder. If you're good on a PlayStation, then you'll be able to use one of these. You have to be able to think in 3D, distance, depth and width, and drive at the same time.
The view from up here is great.
One of these will carry 60 tonnes of rock and cost around £300,000 each.
How fast can it go?
The top speed is 40 miles an hour, but on our site it's 20 miles per hour.
Everyone looks tiny down there.
This is one massive tyre.
That tyre is around about £6,000.
That's one expensive puncture.
All the stone is tipped into this crusher, which can crush up to 600 tonnes of stone an hour.
And it ends up here, ready for sorting.
That was great. Thanks for showing us around.
Yeah, I'm surprised that was a really interesting place to work.
Can I get a job driving a dumper?
I don't see why not.
Well, that was really interesting.
Yeah, not what I expected at all. Those guys are pretty skilled.
You really can't see it from here.
It's really hidden.